Israel's genocide has continued apace and has just reached a new and horrific stage.
More accusations from South Africa to the International Court of Justice, this time more urgent, with even more at stake. An appeal to stop Israel's military offensive in Rafah and potentially save lives from a genocide happening before the world's eyes.
The key point today is that Israel's declared aim of wiping Gaza from the map is about to be realized. Further, evidence of appalling crimes and atrocities is literally being destroyed and bulldozed, in effect wiping the slate clean for those who've committed these crimes and making a mockery of justice.
For some, it's already too late. These women in Rafah were mourning loved ones killed in an Israeli airstrike. A key element of South Africa's arguments to the ICJ is that Palestinians were told by Israel to flee here from elsewhere in the enclave. Now they still find themselves in the crosshairs.
There's no safe place, not in Rafah, not in Han Yunus. They slaughtered Jabalia, they slaughtered Al-Nusayrat, and they slaughtered Rafah. Safety is only with God. May God have mercy on us.
The ICJ has been asked to rule on provisional measures that would compel Israel to halt military activity in Gaza, as well as allowing international organisations, investigators and journalists into the enclave. South Africa has further asked the court to enforce previous decisions it believes Israel has ignored. That includes allowing in more vital aid to Gaza, which the UN and others say still has thousands on the brink of famine. Israel has denied the allegations of genocide and said it's complied with previous court orders. Considering the arguments in this case isn't something that the ICJ has time to dwell on, where previously it has taken weeks to rule on provisional measures, every day that it delays now could cost lives. Even if it ultimately does decide to call for a halt to Israel's military operations, the bigger question may be, will Israel listen? Joel Flynn, TRT World in The Hague.